Little Farmers Coffee is a shop that specializes in the wholesale and retail of fresh roasted coffee beans and seeks to be the spark and current that fans the flames of awareness for Filipino coffee. Little Farmers Coffee are coffee beans from all over the Philippines. Source of coffee beans are directly from the local coffee farmers of the highlands of the Philippines, from the regions of Cordillera up to the beautiful mountains in Mindanao. Coffee beans are proudly Philippine-produced. The Little Farmers Coffee is proud of the Filipino coffee. They have established relationships with small coffee farmers in Sagada and Benguet, the known best sources of local coffee. Aside from training and employing their own baristas, they also have master roasters from Baguio. The master roaster is also the one consolidating its coffee supplies direct from coffee farmers and roast and deliver it every time they order. This makes the Little Coffee Farmers coffee freshly roasted. Since the Philippines is a coffee nation, not only because the country is the 5th biggest consumers of coffee globally, but also for the reason that the country lies on the world's coffee belt, the ideal area that provides favorable climatic conditions to grow all 4 varieties of coffee, namely Robusta, Arabica, Excelsa, and Liberica. Throughout the country, even the most expensive of all, civet coffee or coffee luwak. A 50-gram coffee is sold for 31 pesos, while the most expensive is 46 pesos. The decaf coffee is 88 per 50 grams. Civet coffee commands a higher price of 1,000 pesos for 50 grams. They also offer grinding services to customers for free. Their hot coffee drink is sold for 55 pesos per cup and 65 pesos for iced coffee. The decaf coffee is 80 pesos per cup, while the civet is 200 pesos per cup. They only have one size coffee, 18 ounce for hot coffee and 16 ounce for cold coffee. Ma'am, ano naman po yung best seller nyo dito na coffee?
Best seller for the iced coffee, andyan si hazelnut para sa matapang and si hazelnut vanilla para sa mild lang.
Mild lang.
Sa hot naman, si Benguet Barako and Cordillera Arabica.
Okay. Sige ma'am, thank you. Isa nga pong hazelnut vanilla iced coffee.
Here's your coffee, ma'am. Enjoy.
So, tikman natin guys yung hazelnut vanilla iced coffee ng Little's Farmer Coffee. Lasang-lasa yung pagka-barako na kape niya. Tsaka sarap niya maka-refresh na kape.
Ilang beses ka na nag-update?
Panalo.
Simula sa 1.2.0 tama 1.4.0. Pinag